Hi everyone. It has been a really long time. It's been like a lifetime on YouTube since I've even made a video. I had lots going on, mainly moving across the country, and then I was sick, and then I had to unpack and set up my whole family before I could do my craft room, or felt like I could. So anyway, I am here to share a project that I was able to work on over the summer, actually. Well, actually this one's in the fall. I have one that I did over the summer. Anyway, it's for my friend Vivian, and it's a gratitude journal that I made. It's a junk journal, and this is from the Dollar Tree, this bird, and then I got the pearls, and I added flowers. This tool is from the Dollar Tree as well, and the V, I think I got it at Michael's. I can't remember exactly where. And then there's twill and little gems and doily. Anyway, and I had to make sure to add some of her favorite things. I know she loves this teal color. She's a tea and a coffee person, so I did that. And then I had this other charm that looks like a little postcard. So, and the key. So yeah, I made her this, and it says collect moments, not things. And I told her it's a junk journal, gratitude junk journal made by me, and follow your passion. And then there's the other side has women throughout history that changed the world. It's a really cool little informational thing. And this was a really big doily. I turned it into a flap, and she could pull this out. She wants to use it. The idea, though, is that she just fills it with memories and things that she likes. Adventure. This is an old vintage botany book that I had. So look at that, and then I did a few like flaps with just some sayings on the inside, and there's a tag you can pull. It's really interactive, and the whole idea is for it to be inspiring, for her to want to document things that she's grateful for, or yeah, she can just use it. I think that's why I had it at the top, because I didn't want to cover up the fox, but I still wanted to hold the flap together. So yeah, and this fox is from I don't know if it was My Mind's Eye. It was some paper line that had a whole bunch of other ones. This is an old dictionary page, and then I just had the Inspire. It's a sticker. I didn't hand letter that, I wish. And then just more great times, and then like life documented, and that it's on graph paper. And then I have a few pockets here and there that I made, like either put a tag that I stamped on, or yeah, this one has a menu if she wants to put a menu that she likes, and then I hand stamped on a few of the pages. So yeah, I'm really happy with the colors of it, and like just every so often there's a prompt, and then yeah, I just have pockets everywhere, and it looks cool. This was just gonna be like this part right here, but I ended up extending it because I wanted to be able to fill it with, I found some some tags I made, and then a vintage postcard I also wanted to send her. So that is the idea, and I think she's really gonna love it. And it's just really inspiring to have, I don't know, something to kind of, you can put receipts in here, you can put ticket stubs, you can write little letters and stick them in wherever. I also had to make her a little clip with a pumpkin on it. And then there's another vintage postcard and some more tags. So, and this is just an old book page, and then I use some like brown paper bag. I think this is an old bag. So there's washi. I love the illustrations in some of these old dictionaries. So he's just cute, isn't he? So yeah, a happy day. Just give thanks. And then this I have some goodies in that an actual paper envelope. So more quotes and Project Life cards and stuff. And then here's the other half of the doily. Oh wait, no, this is a new doily. This is the little one. Another flap. Hey there. There's the other side of the dictionary page. Not till we are lost do we begin to find ourselves. That's kind of how I feel about the journey that I went on this summer. We went across 4 states to get here. We're south of Seattle now, and we came from the Midwest, so I don't know. It's been an adventure for sure. Enjoy the journey. I love this little stamp. There's another little pocket. So yeah, I just smashed things together. Kind of made it fun and picked out papers I really enjoy. This one I used washi to decorate, and then I used a Hey Bear. This is another scripty sticker I had. I am learning how to hand letter, but I'm not that good yet. Happiness looks like this. She can add pictures. The adventure begins where plans end. That is so true. And this old butterfly. I know she's really into this kind of thing, like this paper right here. She's gonna like it a lot, I think. And it's just the other side of the one I used. And then yeah, here's the other side of the big envelope, and I put a sticker at the bottom of that ticket. And then anything worth doing. Let's see, if anything is worth doing, do it with all of your heart. I like that quote, and she could just take it out because it's connected with washi. So that was one of her. I talked to her in the beginning of August, and it's November now. The beginning of August when I was going to send my summer one, but life doesn't always go the way we think. Also, she's the one who taught me how to make this next project I'm going to show you. It's a file folder accordion little envelope. So I decorated the outside. It says hello friend, and these butterflies are made from old book pages, and I love the button detail. And this is actually kind of a cloth doily. There's washi tape, and I really liked the paper. Enjoy the little things. I decorated the back side of mine. She didn't, but it's, you know, it's whatever. You can do whatever you want. So I gave her that, and then I gave her some tags, and then I made some envelopes. These are little tissue envelopes. So, and then I made this little paperclip thing too, because those are fun. And it's fall, definitely fall now. So, so we got a little butterfly ring. So then I just connect it with Velcro, and inside is some washi that I actually am sharing some with her. And see, and it's made out of the old dictionary pages. If you want a tutorial, I will try and leave hers below, her link, and you can see what she did, how she made it. But yeah, then I stuffed mine full of, like, there's some little wood veneer chips and tags. I gave her a whole bunch of doilies. I shared my doilies with her. These are more tags and just little extra bits from my stash. I gave her this cute little clip, and some of the paper line that I used was in that bag. And then I gave her a note and some more Project Life things, and I think I gave her a washi sample in here too. Yep, a couple. Oh, and some sequins. So, anyway, these are really fun to share goodies. It's a good idea. And I don't know, I'm hoping to have this sent out in the morning, this project. So it will be a little bit before I have this up. It'll probably be around Christmas time because I just want to make sure she gets it before I share the project. But anyway, these two are for her. And if you have questions on how I made them, feel free to leave a comment, but they're pretty self-explanatory. And I thought they were beautiful. I think they are. I really like them, and they go so well together. So anyway, thank you so much for coming by and seeing my projects. And stay tuned. I'm going to totally do a craft room tour in my new space. And I finally have it settled for the most part, so it's exciting. Anyway, thank you again, and we'll talk soon.